there's the switch. It's got two red wires. One of them attaches to the black wire on the motor, and the other one attaches to the other black wire on the motor. And the white power cable, the red power cable attaches, or the black on the power cable attaches to the other red wire on the motor. I don't think it really matters which is which terribly much. So what I did was I cut about that length of wire or insulation off of the cord. I stripped the wires and then I twisted them back together, and then I replaced the caps on it after hollowing the caps back out, pinching them to expand them again and remove them. I left the grounding cable the same length because I didn't want to have to redo that attachment on the end. That grounding cable attachment is attached with this locking nut here and that screw there, which again is a 9mm screw. Of course, first what I had to do was take off these 9mm screws here, which have a locking screw, a nut, and a washer that are attached to these posts here, and they tend to vibrate and wander, so I'm going to show you what I do to fix that. In your absence, I relocated the grounding nut wire, and I've tucked it back under here. It just wasn't working for me. So let's try this again. This looks nicer. Might have a winner here. Okay, let's test it. There's some rock in there. Let's pull it up so you can figure out what it is. Coach wanted to play you, he'd come get you. Yeah, it worked. Oh, I'm so happy, I'm so happy. I keep that as one piece and flip it over. No, I found the locking nut. Oh, I'm turning into a zombie. Reinstall. Okay, so this is how the lock washer goes. Like that, and then actually it goes, if I'm gonna put the washer on, with the help of my friend who has smaller fingers than I do. Put that through there. I know you guys can't see any of this, but re-engage. Okay, now I'm tucking that wire up into there like a vas deferens as far as I can. It's going to be very difficult to get in the way. Oh, what was that? I think there's bad guys in the house. That was not me. Okay. Screw that down. Screw you. Oh, you want to really tighten that up. Okay. Now, 6 times a charm. I forgot. I don't know how many times I'm on this. I did it too many times. Becoming a professional. I don't want to become a professional assembler. I have better things to do with my time. Like build airplanes. Okay. Oh yeah. That feels tight. It feels so groovy. Okay. It feels like there's no components rubbing in necessarily. So, last thing you want to do is insert your washers. The grommet on the locking nuts faces towards you. Don't be that guy who installs it upside down. Don't be that guy. Okay. So I get those started. This is 9 millimeters. Nope, that's 8 millimeters. Oh, it's not working. 9 millimeter bullets. I'd like to order a pepperoni pizza with pepperoni and 9 millimeter bullets. Okay. I'm kind of tightening these up all the way down so the whole thing doesn't just fly apart when I test it. This better work. I'm gonna go plug this in. Of course, you want the machine off when you plug it in. Let's test it. Okay, that's good. I'm going to test the core at various positions. Because that's what was messing it up before. All positions functional. Okay. I am so happy. I may not express it fully enough to you, but here we go. Oh, yeah. It was worth it. Or I should have just paid somebody $25, but that was worth it. Now, whew, after you're fully satisfied that your repair is sufficient, what you want to do is keep this handle from migrating in regards to the base. The base is attached to the posts. If the posts migrate, you won't be able to fit this thing back in to get it back out the next time you have to fix it. So, I figured out an awesome way to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some spacer material around there, and that is going to keep these things from migrating ever again. And you can sit there and watch me, or you can go grab a beer while I find something to shove in here. First, you want to tighten these up, hand tight, and then you want to take some turns going back and forth from one to the other until you are fully satisfied that things won't be migrating around on you. And the other thing that's going to keep it from migrating is this wire, which I had plenty left over from the 2 feet I extracted from the extra long cord. Now the good thing about the product is that they included plenty of cable for you to repair with. The bad thing about the cable is that it is prone to failure. So, what I'm doing now, stuffing that in there, and that'll keep it from coming dislodged once I replace the sticker. In the future, I recommend y'all just put the sticker, cut the holes here instead of removing the entire sticker. And that should be it.